former President Donald Trump received a significant legal victory from the Supreme Court, granting him broad immunity for his actions during his presidency. This dramatic decision means Trump is unlikely to face trial for the hush money case and other related charges before the 2024 election, if ever. This ruling has raised eyebrows and intensified debates among politicians, legal experts, and the public. The heart of the controversy originates from Trump's conviction on 34 felony counts related to a 2016 hush money payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels. Trump's legal team argued that his social media posts, government disclosures, and conversations were all part of his official presidential duties and thus protected by immunity. The Supreme Court's decision aligned with this defense, suggesting a broad interpretation of presidential actions. Chief Justice John Roberts and other conservative justices accused the liberal wing of the court of fear-mongering and lacking respect for constitutional principles. Justice Amy Coney Barrett called for a cooler, more respectful discourse among her colleagues. However, tensions remained high, underscored by Justice Sonia Sotomayor's stark warning about the dangers to democracy. The ramifications of this ruling extend beyond Trump's legal troubles. It has thrown President Joe Biden's administration and congressional Democrats into disarray. Many liberal leaders have expressed outrage and concern over the potential for abuse by future presidents. Senate Judiciary Committee Chair Dick Durbin argued that the decision significantly undermines the Justice Department's independence, sparking calls for new legislative measures to safeguard democracy. In response, Biden vowed to respect the newfound limits to presidential power, but warned that Trump might misuse this authority if he returns to the Oval Office. The White House is exploring ways to address the ruling, aiming to protect the rule of law and prevent potential authoritarian overreach. Meanwhile, Trump and his supporters are celebrating this legal win as a validation of their fight against what they perceive as an unfair legal system targeting him. With this victory, Trump's path to securing the Republican nomination and potentially reclaiming the presidency appears increasingly unencumbered by legal distractions. As the fallout continues, other related Supreme Court decisions further solidified conservative positions. Key rulings included objections to Biden's environmental policy, support for gun rights, and limitations on federal regulations. Such decisions reflect a judicial shift towards empowering executive decisions while curbing federal oversight, causing further polarization and debate across the nation. With the Supreme Court's term coming to a close, the bench's ethics and the future of federal power hang in the balance. Accusations of impropriety and calls for stricter ethics rules for justices like Clarence Thomas and Samuel Alito have added to the growing discourse about the court's role and its judgments. The Supreme Court's decisions this term have undeniably reshaped the landscape of American politics and law, intensifying debates on presidential powers, legal accountability, and the delicate balance of governmental authority.